Hey everyone, CJ here from Diode. Today in the garage, I'm excited to show you how to install our C1R HitchMount pod on this 23 GMC Sierra. Let's dive in. Start by locating the OEM taillight harness on either side of the vehicle near the spare tire. Pull the red locking tab straight back to unlock, then press the tab on the connector to disconnect. Now, connect the new hitch mount harness to the OEM connectors. Route the driver's side connector over the spare tire and pull it through to the other side. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Next, route the DT plug through the back of the hitch receiver. Plug the DT connector into the back of the pod and snap your hitch mount into place. Once installed, turn on the vehicle and test for function. Finally, secure any loose wiring with the included zip ties, keeping it clear of any hot or moving parts. As you can see, this install takes under 5 minutes and it's packed with features, such as an additional red running light, high-power fourth brake light with an optional strobing feature, and a high-power reverse light. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits for your truck or any of our other products, be sure and visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure and like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.